statements which is include in compound statement. Next is 5 connectivity we will study here. First is conjunction and symbol is this. And for and conjunction use here. If two statements are combining using the connectivity and. If P and Q are two statements here, P and Q is called conjunction, denoted by P conjunction Q. This is conjunction symbol. It is read as P conjunction Q or P and Q. Truth table here. P conjunction Q is true. P conjunction Q is true if and only if both are true. Both are true. Therefore, in conjunction symbol, both are true, then P conjunction Q is true. P statement is true, Q statement is true, then P conjunction Q is true. Otherwise, false. एक जरी स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स असेल तर काय होणार आहे, उत्तर फॉल्स येणार आहे. कंजक्शन फॉल्स येणार आहे त्या दोघांमधलं. Therefore, both are true, then true. It is very important. Both are true, then true in conjunction. Otherwise, false. Next is disjunction. Disjunction symbol is this, and or for or word disjunction use here. If two statements are combining using connectivity or. Two statements combine compound statement using or, then disjunction use here. P, Q are two statements, then P or Q is called disjunction, denoted by P disjunction Q. Read as P disjunction Q or P or Q, like that. P or Q is false if and only if both are false. Means in truth table, both are false. P is false, Q is false, then P disjunction Q is a false. Otherwise true. Otherwise in 3 cases true. Only this case, 4th case, both are false, then false. Here all possibilities given here: true true, true false, false true, and false false. Both statements, all possibilities given here, and this conclusion: both are true, then true. One is true, then true. Other is true, then true. And both are false, then false. Therefore, in disjunction connectivity, both are false, then false. Very important. And in conjunction, both are true, then true. Here, in conjunction, both are true. Here, true. Here also given all possibilities: true, 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 false, false, true, true, true. Both true, both false. Then TF, TF. Given here always TT, FF, then TF, TF alternative. Therefore, this given here all conditions, conjunction, disjunction, all 5 connectivities here. Therefore, next is conditional, means implication, and symbol is this. Conditional means if then statement. In if then statement, this is the conditional. If two statements combine by using if then. If P, Q are two statements, then if P then Q is called the conditional. It is denoted by P implies Q, or like that, P implies Q. Read as P implies Q, or if P then Q. P implies Q is false. This statement is false only if P is true and Q is false. Only P statement true and Q statement is false, then statement is false. Otherwise, compound statement is false. Otherwise, true. In truth table, TT, FF, TF, TF, and P implies Q. T first statement is true, second statement is false, then false. Otherwise, true. Otherwise, true. Therefore, this is condition T, F, then F in implies. Therefore, in conditional statement, implication statement, P implies Q. P statement, first statement always true and second statement is always false, then false. Otherwise, true statement here. Here P is called a hypothesis and Q is called conclusion. Hypothesis always true and conclusion is always false, then the statement is false. P implies Q statement is false. Okay. Therefore, other words used in the examples in conditional or implication. P is sufficient for Q. Q is necessary for P. P implies Q. Q follows from P. P only if Q. This word optional use conditional implies if then statement, if then, or this words is used in the examples. Alls are conditional. Next is biconditional, means double implication, and this is the symbol. If two statement by using if and only if, this word used in the statement, and this is called a biconditional statement. If P, Q are two statements, then P if and only if Q is called biconditional. It is denoted by like that, P double implies Q or P double implies Q, like that. Read as P biconditional Q or P if and only if Q. P double implies Q means biconditional Q is true if and only P and Q has the same truth value. P and Q has the same truth value, then the value is truth value is T, means P is T, Q is T, then T. P is false, Q is false, then T. Means both are same, then true. Both are same is true, and different, here T, here F, then F, here F, here T, then F. Is different, then false, and same, which is true. In biconditional means if and only if statement. Okay, double implies symbol here. Both are same means true true, then true, false false, then also true, and different, TF F, FT is F, which is the biconditional. And next is negation, connectivity, and symbol is here. For any given statement P, there is another statement which is defined to be true. When P is false, when P is true, is called the negation.